Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Keys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a cool little trick with Protool where we're going to change the color on the cluster. Now, I don't know if yours is like mine, but the car that's on my cluster is like, I'd say dark gray. My car is green. And whether you have a factory color or maybe you wrapped your color, I'm going to show you how to code the color of that car on your cluster to match whatever the heck you would like. For today's installation, you're going to need a KIES Wi-Fi ENET adapter, an Android tablet, and a license to Protool, which is going to be the software we're using today. All of this is conveniently listed for you down in the description below. So with that, let's get started. On the back of the KIES Wi-Fi ENET adapter, we list the network ID and the password. So let's plug this in, triple click the start stop button, and that'll put us in diagnostic mode. Then from your Wi-Fi settings on your Android tablet, you can connect to the KIES network. Then from there, you can launch the Protool app. We're gonna hit connect, and then it's going to initialize and it's going to identify all of the control units. Then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to the bottom where it says radio system and it also says head unit. We're gonna click that. Then from this screen, you're gonna hit the bottom right where it says coding. We're going to hit edit coding, and then it's going to ask us if we want to do a coding backup. This is great to do. I always recommend doing it. I just put the date when I'm doing the actual coding in here. So if anything goes wrong at any point or I accidentally code the wrong thing, I can always revert it. So I'm gonna hit confirm. Today is 04/19/2024. Gonna hit confirm. Then from here, I'm going to go over to this right tab where it says expert, and I'm gonna go to 3000 HMI speech. Then at the top where the magnifying glass is, type in vehicle, and it's gonna say vehicle color. There it is down the bottom. And then when you click this, you can scroll through all of the different color options that you can code that little car on your dash. So you can either pick the color of your car, or if you want to do something different, you can do that as well. All right, so you can see I have Isle of Man green over here, but let's do a different one just for today. Here you go. Let's do Seaside Blue Metallic. And we're gonna hit confirm. Then over here at the bottom right, you're gonna hit finalize. It's gonna code the car. All right, coding finalize, cycle your ignition. So we'll turn this off. And I can't wait to see my new blue car. Ta-da! Oh, that's actually a nice color. It's like Miami bluish. That's pretty cool. But anyway, you can do that to pick whatever color you want. If you actually scan all the way to the bottom, you can even put in a custom color. So maybe you have a really cool wrap and, you know, car shows and whatever else, you want to be able to program that in. There's a lot of flexibility with this. So anyway, I hope today's video was helpful. Just give you a cool little thing that you can do with your BMW. I haven't personally tested, but I'm gonna say that this is gonna work on most G Series BMWs. It's not just a G80 thing. Typically you can do this kind of stuff on the X7, the 330, the 2 Series, whatever you have. Once again, if you're interested in the KIES Wi-Fi ENET adapter, a license to Protool, or maybe you're interested to see which tablet we're using today, be sure to see the links down in the descriptions. If you need anything performance, aesthetics, coding, whatnot, be sure to visit us at kies.com, KIES.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.